Hey folks, today we have a printer with no power. Sorry for that. Okay, so printer no power. It's already stuck in the wall. We will try to open this thing, folks. No power. I repeat, no power. Dead printer, folks. Dead printer. No power. You hear that? No power. There's a screw there. Here. Get lost from it. And after that, remove the cover, and using this technique, gently remove the cover, put back the rubberized technology to prevent waste technique. Remove the screw here. Also from the other side, remove. After you remove that, you can gently pull this. When I say gently, that means something like that. So folks, we need to check here. This. Have a little bit zoom there. This is the power supply wire from here. There. Excuse me. This is the power supply wire from here. Going into the board. So, we're trying to check here. Oh, when you try to test the printer if it's okay, a good power supply will spark. What I mean spark there is spark. When you insert something, you will hear like that. Sad to say there's nothing. But to make sure, let's test this supply using the multi-technology tester of mine. Okay, that's for we have at least 42 volts here. Surely this is dead, folks. No 42 volts. This is super dead, folks. Supply is dead. We'll try to change another supply. So I'll push for a while. So I get a spare. I think we'll test if this is okay. Insert the code and let's test if there's a 42 volts there on one side. Sorry for that. We need a 42 volts though. Okay. There is no 42 volts there. But wait, I think we need to check the AC here. We have also, I think this is also a dead supply, guys. I need to find another one. Wait here. Okay, get another one, folks. We'll test this supply. insert the 20 volts. Let's find 42 volts for that, using multi-tester. So there we have on the other side we have 42 volts, folks. You see that? 42 volts. On the other side we have but what we need, I don't know. But what we need is a 42 volts, folks. So if you don't have any tester, man, you will just try to wait. If you don't have any tester, you will try to insert the new supply. If it will spark, that's okay. You hear that? Again, you hear that? That's a sign of a good power supply, folks. You hear that power on, and that's the thing, guys. It's only a power supply problem. I don't fix this supply like this because it sucks. Replace it. The Bistec, I think that's a bad brand, Bistec. So I think that's the only problem, folks. I will not reinstall the case because it's power on. And that's the thing, folks. You hear the spark, it's okay. Even if you don't have tester, I'll do it again. Last try. That's it. Don't worry about the voltage, will not kill you. Thank you and bye bye.